Hi guys, today we were going to talk about the cerebral cortex. Now, what is cerebral cortex? Cerebral cortex is a thin layer of tissue covering the cerebral hemisphere. There are two cerebral hemispheres. This is the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. But they are connected with a large bundle of fibers called corpus callosum. The presence of fissures further subdivides the hemisphere into four lobes. So, may papakita ko sa inyo, ito yung four lobes ng cerebral cortex. This is frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and the last one is temporal lobe. Frontal lobe, it is responsible for organization, planning, and emotional function. Whereas, the parietal lobe deals with the sensomotor function. Memory and hearing rules by the temporal lobe. And the last one is occipital lobe, the green one. It is the responsible for vision. Now, let's recap. The cerebral cortex is a thin layer of tissue covering the cerebral hemisphere. So, yung cerebral hemisphere natin may dalawang parts siya. Left and right hemisphere. Ang cerebral cortex natin ay may apat na lobe. Frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. Guys, that's for today. Thank you.